good Sunday morning. It is one of the final weekends of the summer weekend before Labor Day. We're here at Knott's Berry Farm with no agenda whatsoever other than to eat. Got our breakfast burrito this morning. Only potato and ham, and they ran out of ham. Got the second to last potato breakfast burrito. Headed to the grill today. Next weekend, make sure you come Sunday, Labor Day weekend, for Glow. It is a fan-created glow event. Get your glow sticks, your glow hats, your light-up necklaces, whatever you can find, and join us. We'll put the information down in the description. See this burrito. Well, we destroyed that burrito. Gonna ride the train next. If you've not been to Knott's in a few weeks, they're redoing the entire walkway from Judge Roy Beans over to Fiesta Village, taking out the asphalt and replacing it with concrete. I'm not sure if it's going to be done for the Glow Parade next week, but I'm sure it'll be done before Scary Farm starts, because that is a scare zone. Knott's Berry Farm Ghost Town is famous for its pecans, and on occasion this one right here is open, and a few weeks ago it was. So I'm going to edit in that video from this famous pecan here at Knott's Berry Farm. Let's take a look. The gun shop pecan at Knott's Berry Farm was built in 1946 and is patterned after a similar one that was located at the Angels Camp in the Motherlode country during the 1850s. The doors served two purposes. They served as a protection barrier against fires, and they were also good protection against bandits who frequented the area. The gunsmith equipment came from an old gun shop in Kentucky. The doors to this pecan aren't always open, so keep an eye out. It is located next to the leather shop and across from the general store. The food and service today at the Ghost Town Grill was delicious and efficient as always. I had the lemon pepper salmon in a caper sauce with mashed potatoes and Caesar salad. Nick chose the Southwest salad, substitute chicken tenders for the grilled chicken that normally comes with it.